are here inside Okada. Yes, amazing people. Look at that chandelier. So beautiful here. So really amazing, mga amazing people. So hindi ko alam kung saan kami pupunta, pero dito kami magla-lunch. Dito kami magla-lunch, mga amazing people. CR nila. Diba? Oh, CR ng Okada.
Tell me what it takes to get you feeling alive. Tell me how to show you it's a beautiful life.
Hello, amazing people. Dito pala yung Shoe Game Manila, kung saan bumibili ng mga shoes. Sila Daddy Beans, Tito Beans, at saka si Mommy Tony Fowler. My God! Nandito na pala ako.
Meron kami ma'am sa resort board, pwede namin transfer dito. Bakit nangyari mag-payment? Ito?
Bumili na kami ng ganito sa BGC. Ganito style.
Goods United. United, Chris?
Punta na rin kayo dito, mga amazing people. Dito lang yan sa Okada.
Baby, you are my light， 你点亮我的爱。Forever shine，命中注定的安排。我明白，流星划过窗台。
Huwag kayong mahihiya. Thank you, Ate Mama. Kuya Carlo. Yung tatay ko. Ayan, nakapasyal na dito sa Okada.
Taga Manila na si
Yes. Thank you, Kuya Jules.
Welcome.
Oh, love. Ito, pinsan mo. Very close kami, ha. Hindi ka na... Ako yung pinsan, ha.
Manok. Pwede ko dito.
Kain tayo, mga amazing people.
Yeah, baby, you are. Hey, baby.
Beautiful, 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 beautiful angel. Love your imperfections, I be angel. Tomorrow comes and goes before you know. I just had to let you know the way that Gucci look on you amazing, and nothing can compare the way.
So, hello amazing people. So, tapos na kami mag-lunch. And then, naglakad-lakad. Ayan. Linibot na namin ang Okada, pero hindi lahat. Kasi nga ang lawak-lawak. So, pupunta kami, bibili ng Krispy Kreme. And then, bibili ng ticket for reservation. And see you later, mga amazing people. Kung makapag-vlog pa ako kasi ginamit ko lang yung phone ngayon ni Ate Ma dahil nalobat tayo mga amazing people. So, kung hindi man ako makapag-vlog na. So, thanks for watching mga amazing people. Hope you enjoy it. And yes, always remember life is beautiful. Bye, amazing people.